Hello guys and welcome back to Go Invest. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to make money from Facebook. Everyone knows what is Facebook, but do you guys know that you can earn money from Facebook? Alright guys, now let's get to the ways to earn money from Facebook. The first way is selling your own products, services or dropshipping. You guys can sell your own products, services and dropshipping by posting contents in your Facebook profile, in a Facebook page, in a Facebook groups regarding your niche or topic, and in Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you guys on how to post your contents in details. The first step is posting in your Facebook profile. Click on what's on your mind and post the photos and videos with its details of the products or services, and also make sure that the post is in public. So this is the one, just keep it in public, and then once you have put all your photos, then post it guys. Click to post. The second step is posting in Facebook's page. Click the three horizontal lines at the top right and click on pages. Then click create and create a page with your personal or company brand. Like click on this and then just follow the instruction to create a page. Once done creating a page, start posting contents as photos or videos. Then the third step is posting in Facebook groups. Click the three horizontal lines at the top right and click on groups. Then click the search button below the three horizontal lines and choose the categories regarding on your niche. For an example, if you guys are selling clothes, so click on style and click join on groups with huge numbers of members. Once your membership is approved, start posting in contents, but be careful to not spam because this will lead admins blocking or removing you from the group. These are the steps to sell your own products, services and dropshipping in Facebook, and also check out the link in the description below this video to start a dropshipping business for free. Furthermore, the second way is affiliate marketing. Facebook groups are a great way to do affiliate marketing where you guys can find relevant groups, join them and start posting affiliate links once you are approved. But be very careful. Do not spam because this will lead admins to block or remove you from the group. Check out the link in the description below this video to join as an affiliate marketer for free. Then, the third way is AdSense. AdSense is a Google website monetization platform and it has certain approval criteria. But once you are approved, you guys can make money from Facebook by driving paid traffic to click the ad, but Google can ban your AdSense account if you place excessive ads on Facebook. So please be careful guys. The fourth way is Facebook apps. Facebook app can be a powerful source of revenue, provided if you guys knows how to make a useful application. Facebook app is a programmable and you can even define the database or extract the user's information depending on your requirements. But to create and make money from Facebook apps, you guys need to gain knowledge about Facebook apps first. Check out the link in the description below this video to create Facebook app. and just follow the instructions to create the app of your choice. Finally, the fifth and the last way is becoming an influencer. After you guys have 1000 plus friends in your Facebook account, identify the niche in which you want to be an influencer and earn money from posting sponsored contents. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video, and these are the ways to earn money from Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.